Hello friends, welcome to Code Developer channel. In this video, we will learn about one another interesting problem which can be solved with XOR bit manipulation technique. The problem is, let's say, the problem is this. So in an array, all numbers are repeated except one number, and find that number. Okay. So we are given an array. Okay. Here it's mentioned. In this array, all the numbers are repeated. So 10 is repeated, 20 is repeated, but 30 is not repeated, and we have to find that number. So there are many techniques through which this problem can be solved, but one of the interesting technique, or rather I would say a best or simple technique through which this problem can be solved, is using XOR. So what I'm doing, I have initialized one variable called result to 0, and basically I'm iterating all the numbers in the array here, and I'm XORing each number with the result. Okay. uh, I keep on doing it until the end of the array, and at the end, when I print result, the result should give me 30. Okay, so let's run this program. Okay, as you can see in the terminal output, we have successfully captured non-repeating element from the array. Now, you might be wondering how this is working. So basically, this is the property of XOR. So if you XOR a number with itself, it results into 0. So since in this array all the numbers are represented twice, so 10 is twice, 20 is twice. So 10 and 20, both these, when we are XORing with itself, they are resulting into 0, and only remaining element is 30, and there is no duplicate of 30. So we are successfully getting result as 30. Okay. I have mentioned here in comment that XOR of number with itself results in 0. Okay. If you want to learn more about XOR and its properties, please watch my other video about bit manipulation techniques in Python that will give more such interesting properties and techniques using bit manipulation. I hope you like this video. If you want to learn more about such interesting problems, um, for interview preparation or for coding contest, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.